Good morning, everyone. Oh, dry throat again. Anyway, banging it down with rain today. Well, just stopped anyway, but it was early on. Oh dear. If you missed Scotland's comments yesterday about them Orbs, we had a good little, two-way comment talk anyway. Them Orbs, I isolated them. So it coming from behind me and then it coming across me like that way. I isolated them, zoomed up on them bits and slowed them down a lot. And I'll put that here right now. Also yesterday, when I walk into shop then I was talking about there, so a magpie floating around here. I left this recording. I actually caught it 3 times in a space of about an hour, but I caught him 3 times coming round, and once, well, 2 times caught him round, and once going for them seeds. So I've got that on video as well, and I've slowed one down where he's, I don't know if it were he or she, where he was flying just around there, and I've also got that. And I'll put that on just before I get in the shower. So I'm getting in the shower now, so see you in a minute. Just browsing through my Amazon. It's coming today. It's out for delivery. No time yet, but still early. It's nearly 11 o'clock actually, so not early enough. Anyway, it's still early-ish and it's coming today. So when it comes, I'll be showing you what it looks like, but I won't be doing an opening video until tomorrow because I'll be setting it up as well. Anyway, it's on its way, which is good. Oh yeah, get a state of this again. I'll give it a little clean off. Bloody crisp packets. Embarrassing. When I'm sat here doing editing, I'm chomping on crisps. Anyway, see you in a minute. Speaking of Orbs, I've been looking through all my old footage of my videos. I tried to look to see if I can see any. I haven't noticed any, but only yesterday's and one Scotland noticed. I will put the message up here, what he said. Yeah, it's a bit weird. I do believe in, someone is watching over me, because I do have dreams of my late father. He passed away around this time, June, July time. July 4th he passed away. So next month actually, but anyway, weird. Still waiting for that. Still no notification on what time it's. They're just giving me the show you a message. Just says arriving today. Usually when it's Amazon, they give you a time slot, but this is not Amazon that's delivering it. It's every... Oh God, a little bit cold as well today. Got my TV still on. A little bit cold. Got goosebumps as well. Oh dear me, come on. At least I can get out on Saturday and do some shopping. I don't even know if there's on Saturday. Oh, there's that music thing, but that's at the Keep Moat. I'm not paying to go in there when I don't. Half that music is a bit crap. Especially nowadays. If they did 80s music, I'd love it, I'd be there. But I'll say now, as soon as it comes, I'll video it and probably put it on tomorrow. If it comes early enough, I'll put it on today, but mainly it'll be tomorrow. I'm going to carry on waiting because I need to go to the shop as well afterwards. No, I don't. I haven't won lottery. I don't need help from shop anyway. I know I need this camera charging now. And this little microphone. I'm supposed to be able to hold that, and looks a bit stupid actually. And I'm not using this because this one, it opens but it doesn't turn like this one does. So I'll probably use that on one of my tablets so I can watch it. Even that one turns, and that's the cheapest one I've bloody got. Anyway, I'll see you in a minute. Still not here. I might end this video. So I want to get this video out today. I usually like getting them out before 2 o'clock, and it's like just gone 1:10. So I will end it here. In fact, yeah, I'll end it here. So if you like my videos, give us a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow. And when it does come, I will load it up straight away. So, well, I will film it straight away and then load it up tomorrow. So I'll see you all tomorrow.